Hi everyone, my name is Hodong Sung, creator and CEO of Suphere brand. I have worked on more than 400 athletic footwear projects with over 20 global sports brands such as Nike and Adidas for over 20 years. Suphere is a new running shoe company with a patent cushioning technology founded in Seoul, Korea 2020. It all started from a very simple idea back in 2013. I happened to step on a toy ball. I felt an amazing cushy, rubbery feeling. This made me think, how fun would it be to have cushioning like this? The sphere is the best shape for shock absorption and rebound, but this circular shape is so unstable to adapt to the outsole. So I put this idea aside for a while. Then, in early 2015, when I saw this egg cartoon and got an idea for double stacked hemisphere. If you cut a circle in half and stack it vertically, voila! The advantage of the sphere can be maintained, while the bottom remains flat, which is suitable for the outsole. So after intensive research on dual hemisphere elastic collision and conservation of kinetic energy / momentum in physics, the first sketch was completed. With more than 40 prototypes and several hundred kilometers of wear testing over 6 years, the insane cushioning of Suphere was created. In September 2020, we launched our first model on crowdfunding, and Groove 1 and 2 recorded total sales over 124,700 US dollars. This year, we're introducing a new model, Groove 3. The upgraded elastomos sole provides even more elastic cushioning, reinforces the stability through additional support pillars, and an extended outsole durability warranty for 1 year. The micro mono mesh provides extreme ventilation, extreme. The ergonomic design, the no-sew pattern, and newly designed non-slip heel padding provides a perfect, comfortable, true-to-size fit.